Dear friends, let me present to you a rare gem of North Sikkim, the Amitabh Bachchan Falls. Located 11 kilometers from Chungthang and approximately the same distance from Lachung at village Khedung. Welcome to Rejuvinator73, also known as the Bhimnala or the Bhuma Falls or the Red Snake Falls, is one of the highest waterfalls in Sikkim, 75 meters, standing tall as Amitabh. Best time to visit is in the monsoons. What? What's that? No entry. Oh my god, all our efforts has gone into waste. All we could do now was to peek over these discolored aluminium sheets to look at this magnificent waterfalls. Bad luck as we watched in dismay. But finally, Our Lady Luck smiled at us, and those barricades were opened temporarily for a short duration. We all rushed inside and had a look at the magnificent view right in front of us, the Amitabh Bachchan Falls or the Bhuma Falls. Sikkim is blessed in abundance by Mother Nature, and the people out here have been reasonable enough to preserve it with full sincerity. We have got a lot to learn from them. Friends, no visit is complete without a photo shoot, and here it is, us smiling back at you. See you, bye.